Okay, so we are looking at factorization. When we say factorization, it has to do with putting an expression into brackets, and there are cases under it. So the first case is when this expression like this has no what, no coefficient beside the term with the highest power. So you have x squared plus 5x plus x. So we're looking at the terms with x, okay? X is the variable. Now you see that, let's find out the one with the highest power. This one is power 1, that's what I've done right. This is power 2, x squared. So this one has the highest power. So look at the coefficient or the number beside the one with the highest power. So what number is beside x squared? Is 1. Because it's 1, we don't write it. So that is case 1. There is no number here apart from 1. So in that case, you multiply that 1 or that 1 by the 6, the constant here, constant of the last term, number that stands alone. You get it? So 1 times 6 is 6. And because it's 1 here, that's why we normally just focus on here. But when you multiply by 6, it will give you the same 6 or whatever number is there. And so we're looking at two factors that when you multiply, it will give you this constant 6. And those same two factors, when you add, it will give you the middle term. To give you the coefficient of the middle term, which is 5. So let's look at the factors. Because when we multiply looking at 6, it means you're looking at numbers from 1 to 6. And those numbers can be positive or negative. Positive or even negative. So look at these factors. When you multiply 1 times negative 1, does it give you 6? No. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 4 times 4 is negative 16. So which ones do you multiply to give you 6? Let's pick 2 and 3. 2 times 3, positive 2 times positive 3 will give you 6. The same 2 and 3, when you add them, does it give you the coefficient here of the middle term? Does it give you the 5? 2 plus 3, yes, it's 5. So it means our two factors are 2 and 3, positive 2 and positive 3. And because we are using the middle term, we attach x to them. So you're looking at 2x and what? And 3x. So we fix them into the expression over there. Now then we maintain the first term and the last term. So we maintain the x squared, and then we maintain our what? Our 6. Then replace them with the middle term, the 5x. So it's going to be, because they are positive, positive 2x plus what? 3x, then plus your 6, as you see over there. Then you see there are 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. You group them, every 2 into brackets. Okay. Then these two, you bring what is common, what is here at the same time here in each bracket outside. So x is here, x is here. So x is common. Bring x out. Then you open a bracket. So the x, what is outside times what is inside, should give you this, should give you back what you have in the bracket. So x times what will give you x squared is x. You know the power is 1. When you are multiplying the terms and the powers are 1, you can add them. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So it means that x times x is x squared. Then plus, you have x here already. X times what to give you 2x. It's left with 2. So that x times 2 is 2x. You see that? Then you close the bracket. Then you go to the second bracket. What is common? What is here at the same time here? 3x and 6. X is here, x is not here. What about the 3? 3 can go into itself at the same time into 6. So we see that positive 3 is common. So we bring it out. Then we open a bracket for it. Then 3 times what will give you the 3x? Remember I said, when you multiply what is outside and by what is inside, it should give you back what you have in the bracket. So 3 times what will give you 3x is x. The 3 is here, is left with x. So that 3 times x is 3x. Then 3 times what will give you 6 is positive 2. So plus 2. Now note that always when you finish factorizing like this, the terms, the expression in the bracket should be the same. What you have here should be the same as what is in the bracket here. So you see x plus 2 is the same x plus 2 here. So we are on course. Good. So then you are going to put what is outside into one bracket and what is inside to another bracket. Then you are done. So you have x plus this 3 to one bracket. Then put them together. Then you have the x plus what? Plus 2. 2. Pick one of them, they are the same. So into another bracket. So that is it. That is how to factorize. Remember we said that to factorize, you are putting in them into brackets. Okay, I hope you understand. You can leave your question. Just go through the video, take your time, listen to it, watch it, and then ask any question if you have any question.